It's Nick O'Clock, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another acrylic application video, or is it? I'm asking because have you ever recorded something, a whole video, you're making content only to realize that you weren't even recording and it went on for a long time? Mine is not even that, but it's similar. My angles were just not angling. And when I got the shots right, my shots weren't even focused. Today was the worst video as far as angles are concerned. But I must tell you, girl, I am so proud of the application. Okay, it makes up for it. From where we started to where we are right now, this is a proud moment, so I had to share it. Unfortunately, it didn't come up as I've wished for it to, but you know what, just enjoy the little bit you can see and hopefully celebrate the success with me. Because this is an accomplishment. Okay, I'm so happy, I'm so thrilled, I'm super proud of getting to this level. And yeah, it's probably not that deep, but hey, your girl is super happy. You can see my if I had a tail, it would be wagging right now. That's how excited I am. Okay. So anyway, this is just about it. There's not much to show. Just enjoy the little bit there is, and hopefully my next video will be better. Because what is this? Okay, and stiletto was the order of the day. Me being me, I think I made an almond shape with just pointy tips. That's just your girl being hard on herself. But anyway, yeah, we were attempting stilettos today, and they did their thing. Not bad, but could be better. But yeah, just enjoy watching and please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. This is application only. Come on, somebody. Look at that. Look at how nice and glossy it is. A proud moment, I tell you. And this is just before filing. Even underneath the nails, it's so clean. I'm happy with my application. Even the filing takes less time now because we are getting better. I mean, I swear we could have left it like this. Look at how beautiful it is. But we're so extra and we want to practice nail art. So this is the final look that we've come up with. I was attempting chrome. It didn't go that well, but you know what? We soldier on. Hopefully my next video will be better.